Is it time to buy or sell NMAX stock? In this video, we're diving deep into NMAX. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 25th of August, 2025. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 22nd of August, 2025, our system has categorized NMAX as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 1.17. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Regrettably, the stock has not met expectations, showing a loss of 2.17% thus far. This equates to an average loss of 1.08% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is situated in the midst of a very broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further decreases within this trend are anticipated. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 21% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 43% to negative 6%. Our latest daily update for NMAX includes the headline: NMAX Incorporated stock price ended at $14.91 on Monday after losing 2.17%. The NMAX Incorporated stock price fell by 2.17% on the last day, which was Monday, the 25th of August, 2025, from $15.24 to $14.91. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 9.40%, with a day low at $14.26 and a day high of $15.60. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 29.88% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day, along with the stock, which is actually a good sign as volume should follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 801,000 shares, with a total of 1 million shares bought and sold for approximately $19,540,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $265, and the lowest price was $11.40. Currently, the price is 94.37%, or $250.09, below the 52-week high of $265, which is also the all-time high for the stock. NMAX shares have been influenced by a series of significant events this month. The company settled the prominent Dominion defamation lawsuit for $67 million, alleviating a major legal burden and sparking a notable relief rally that boosted the stock in the short term. In the same week, NMAX reported a robust second quarter, with revenue reaching $46.4 million, reflecting an increase of 18.4% compared to the previous year. Broadcast revenue surged by 28.5% to $38 million, with more than 26 million viewers tuning in quarterly, highlighting strong advertising and audience engagement. The board also welcomed David Gandler, the co-founder and CEO of Fubo TV, indicating a commitment to enhance their streaming and free ad-supported television channel strategy. In the short term, these developments mitigate headline risk and enhance investor sentiment, supporting potential growth as results affirm the business's viability and the legal uncertainties dissipate. Over the long term, the stock's performance will depend on whether NMAX can maintain revenue growth, effectively monetize their streaming and FAST channels under the new board's expertise, and absorb the $67 million financial impact without limiting cash flow for content and distribution investments. Analysts have assigned a general strong sell rating to NMAX stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. For the return on investment, the analysts also recommend a strong sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for NMAX. The NMAX Incorporated stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, providing a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. Should there be corrections downward, support will be found at levels of $13.80 and $13.58. A breakdown below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, August 11th, 2025, and since then, the stock has risen by nearly 30%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also been noted, which may impact short-term developments. Notably, volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 11 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 16 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 10 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 2 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 101 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for NMAX. NMAX Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $14.77. And this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and with a wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to carry a high level of risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.34 between its high and low points, representing a change of 9.4%. For the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 8.99%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for NMAX, let's briefly discuss some important fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This vital ratio assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may suggest that the company is struggling to generate profit and could be at risk of bankruptcy. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NMAX. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NMAX is at $15.13. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who are already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, NMAX faces its first support level at $14.77. If this support level holds, it may serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for NMAX from multiple analyst sources is categorized as a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Dobriansky Paula J., who bought and sold a total of 13,813 shares or options in the company. Based on the 2 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 90.540. In total, insiders acquired 13,813 shares and did not sell any shares in the last 2 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $14.36, reflecting a decline of 3.66%. This stock exhibits substantial daily fluctuations, which contributes to its high risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal indicated by a pivot bottom that was established 10 days ago. Is NMAX stock a good buy? Several short-term signals are looking positive. Despite the stock being in a downward trend, we conclude that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for the stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 26th of August, We expect Newsmax to open higher by approximately 1.33 cents and start trading at $14.92. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We encourage you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.